Hello everybody, this is CJ Wilson, Firkins Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram in beautiful Bradenton, Florida. And what we're taking a look at here is a 2016 Jeep Wrangler. It was locally purchased here, purchased at Firkins. It only has 32,000 miles, one owner vehicle, super clean, very nice exterior color, silver. This does have some upgraded wheels on it as far as for this package. When you take a look at the inside, it is an automatic. It does have, crank windows. So for those who like more traditional Jeep, this is the perfect thing for you. Got seating for 5 back here. This is the soft top. Super clean vehicle all the way around. This one is equipped with the tow package. Oh, it's got the running boards on it too, which are a nice little upgrade. But to find out more about this awesome 2016 Jeep Wrangler, please contact me, CJ Wilson, at 941-704-3169. Or to find other vehicles like this one, please visit our website at www.firkinscj.com, and we'll see you soon.